A pair of frogs jumping around fell accidentally into the bucket of milk. Both of them tried to jump out of the bucket, but they could not due to slippery surface. One of them got so tired and lost the hope of survival. He surrendered and drowned to death, while the other frog kept on kicking and splashing in the bucket without losing hope. His continuous efforts eventually turned milk into a lump of butter. The frog jumped on top of the surface of butter and escaped to freedom. Similarly, your SIP may deliver negative return due to market correction. During correction, many investors lose hope and surrender to it. They stop their SIPs and withdraw their money in loss. But those who continue their SIPs eventually make good returns. If you have started an SIP of 10,000 rupees per month in large cap mutual funds on 30th September 2010, the fund value of your SIP after 3 years would have been 3.49 lakh rupees against the total investment of 3.6 lakhs. If you had stopped SIP and withdrawn the money, you would have incurred a loss. But if you have continued the same SIP without losing hope, the value of your SIP at the end of the 4th year would have been 6.99 lakh rupees against the total investment of 4.8 lakh rupees. Wait, best is yet to come. If you have continued the same SIP for a long term, the value of your total investments of 9.1 lakh rupees is 15.41 lakh rupees as on 12th March 2018. To achieve financial freedom and create wealth, keep investing through SIPs and equity mutual funds for long term without worrying about market ups and downs. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.